Hello, Great FX here again. Good evening, guys. Welcome to another episode of Analysis with Great FX. I want to show you how I got a move of 1 to over 53 RR on BTC. If you are new in this group, or if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you want to get close to me and catch this trade with me, you want to learn how I do it, I want to get my daily signals for free. Click on link on my bio, go to my bio, click on link on my bio to join the YouTube channel, to join the Telegram channel so that you can be close to me. This move I want to explain 1 to 53 RR as listing. Maybe blessed. Alright, so let's go there. This is BTC. BTC has been in a downward trend, and so we know that from 1 month time frame, of course you have to start from 1 month time frame. 1 month time frame, we have this level playing out. Okay, that's the level I saw. If you broke this 1 month, if you go down lower to investigate it, you realize that that place on the weekly time frame is a FBG. Now from that FBG, we already know our move there. From here, of course, if you know how I trade, you know that this is my CRT already, this is my CRT high, and this is my CRT low already. So we go down still to investigate it, and on one day we see that okay, this place has um given us another CRT high and a CRT low, and of course you know that CRT, once it is giving, it must go all the way to TP. Right, so here, how do we explain this? Here we see that this market is in a is expecting a FVG. It's the FVG, first FVG, second FVG. Right, so that's the FVG market is expecting to, and this is the CRT. Now there are many ways you can trade this. There are many ways you can trade this. Number one, you can trade it from here, which is this. All right, so this can be your zone. Number two, you can say you can pick the zone from here, and this will be your CRT. Now for me, all right, I don't like stress, like you know, and the strategy applies for position. All right, now what you'd have done first of all is that you'd have traded your CRT, which will be from here, which is your CRT high, and here your CRT low. All right, but the entry there will be red, because that is a low probability CRT. And I've taught this kind of CRT inside bar CRT. But if you wanted to trade it again, wanted to go for a more simpler approach, right, you can just trade this as a CRT high and this as a CRT low. You can see how we catch, or how we got multiple CRTs inside that CRT. So this is the CRT we are working with. So we got multiple CRTs inside each one CRT. And so let's look for our entries. On far time frame, I want to see my entry even here. Okay, we can enter on far. So let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. We see that our entry has been given there. But how did market enter? Now for me, I want to see that market did something like this. Market did something like this to enter my trade. And here, this is where I'm targeting for my entry. Don't worry, my own understanding is entry, but I'll explain maybe in later videos. So go to like 15 minutes or 3 minutes time frame to see, to check something like that. Now, if you are doing this, of course, you must use CRT, or you must use CRT alignment to do it. Right, so here I've been given, here I've given. So how do I get my entries? You go to line charts, you see that at this point, okay, you might see it clear. Let's say to 3 minutes. At this point, at the topmost um place, I want to see that that entry is given, and that entry would help me for the best sniper entries. Right, I want to catch a sniper entry, and so type me that entry will be the best bet. I've seen it, so this is where I'm entering from. I'll explain to you in a later video how I caught this entry. This entry will give me a sniper entry from me. So go to your candlestick and see that, boom, that's my first sniper entry. This thing should be without stress. If you're not trading market and you're stressed, this is me. This is how I catch those mighty moves. This year is already 1 to 18. Of course, I know that my CRT is all the way to the first level, which is what, 1 to 52. This one alone is 1 to 52. Right, you might have gotten your entry from here, but of course, you know, entry you might have just taken it from the same place, the same kind of entry from here to here. So I'm giving you another entry. Don't worry, I know you're confused. I'll explain in the later video. This is not a video class. So either you have caught this entry or you have caught this entry, but is this entry not sweet? Right, so that this would have been my first TP. So the first one is 1 to 52, second is 1 to 24. Right, so how would I have caught this next entry? My next entry, I want to see the market has given me what I call the forbidden strategy. Of course, this is not the first time I'm mentioning that. The forbidden strategy says that there's a hidden level of entry where nobody sees, right? Forbidden entry, my forbidden strategy says that there's a hidden level of entry where nobody sees. For my hidden level of entry where nobody sees, I know that, oh, from here, I know that this is my hidden level. Let me go fast. This is my hidden level of entry that nobody sees here to here. Now on this count, I want to see something like this. I want to see something like this when at this level, something like this, and then market would um touch it and give me a a open market touch and give me a is it now? Is it the V level, something like this? This kind of entry I'm expecting here. So I go to 5 minutes time frame. Now this is my best kind of entries. 5 minutes time frame, beautiful. This is my entry here, my open, my V and H level. That's my entry here because market has given me what? Market has given me my forbidden strategy around here. Right, so my forbidden strategy around here, how many pips did I catch? So here to here is my TP. This last level is my TP. So here to here, so 52 move, 52 hour here, we have 20, 22, 24 hour here, another 52 hour here. Altogether, altogether is how many? And that's how you'd have caught these three massive moves in one trade. Of course, the CRT has been completed, but we also know that from higher time frame move, from higher time frame that we started from, we are still going lower. And give me a minute, let me explain. Somebody will have been like, why did I catch that at that point? How did I catch this point? How would I catch this? Why not here? Someone would have asked that question. Why not here? I've explained to you in the past that when you see your entries, when you have your BS, when your BS does not get to, when your BS doesn't get to um the zone here, protecting this place, all right, must protect this place. It does not get to the transnational equality, all right, and it goes back, it will touch and you sell from your BUS. But if it touches the transnational equality, if market goes through and touches transnational equality, then that means that you have something like this here. It does not touch. Okay, if you touch the triangle liquidity like this, you can see here that this part touched the triangle liquidity here. This part it didn't touch, and so of course it has this place has to be protected. All right, then what you do is here, and then you come into this place to seek an AVG or a layer of liquidity, and this is where market will sell from. Probably I'll explain this more, but I believe you understand. If you don't understand, please send me a message. I'll explain to you more, and that is how. That's why we didn't take this first move here. You cannot take space move here because here it touched the FG and so I want this place to sorry, here it touched the um BUS. So I want this place to get taken out. First of all, once it get taken out, my move is on top, and that's we have. Now please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to join my VIP signals or you want to take my daily trade, send me a message and we'll get you started. All right, please drop all questions that you might have, your contributions, people you are lost somewhere and all that. Please, I would like to hear your feedbacks, right? I really like to hear your feedback. Please make sure that you are here. Come to our group, join this place so that you can receive our daily signals and everything. This is the BTC that I've got. All right, thank you guys and God bless. Bye guys.